To prevent a sour, itchy throat in winter, it's important to keep your throat moist and your immune system strong. Drink plenty of fluids like water, herbal teas, and warm broths to stay hydrated. Using a humidifier in dry indoor air helps prevent throat dryness. Avoid irritants like smoke and strong chemicals, and try to breathe through your nose instead of your mouth. Gargling with warm salt water can soothe irritation. Lastly, protect yourself from colds and flu by maintaining good hygiene, getting enough sleep, and eating a balanced diet to support your immune health. Follow Euphoric Skin and Care for more such videos.